Welcome to your best gel manicure ever. OPI GelColor with IntelliGel technology gives supercharged color that's easy to apply because it self-corrects and stays where you put it. You'll start your service with Super Base Base Coat. This formula leaves very little tacky film behind and enables the color application to be super smooth. Apply a thin layer of Super Base to the entire nail, leaving a tiny free margin and being sure to cap the free edge first. This will ensure a super smooth finish in your application. You'll notice that the GelColor IntelliGel system formula is in a different bottle. It has a bigger logo. Fun fact, this bottle also has 30% post-consumer recycled glass, and the color is listed on the top of the bottle along with an icon to indicate opacity level. And a totally different brush and stem. This patent-pending brush design has two important benefits. The stem design controls the flow of the gel color, and a radical fan brush that enables thin, precise application effortlessly. Blend your gel color by shaking the bottle vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds. When you open the bottle, look for the stem to be fully coated in color to ensure that it's properly blended. Less is more. Gel color with IntelliGel technology is super pigmented. Apply in thin layers to ensure a proper cure. Cap the free edge first to ensure a smooth and even application. It feels slightly thicker in viscosity. Notice it thins while you brush it out. This is how it self-corrects and also why the color distributes so evenly. The gel color applies like butter. It's smooth and the color distribution self-corrects. No dimples or brush strokes are ever left behind. The IntelliBrush design allows it to hug the curves of the natural nail for amazing control and precise application without flooding or rework. Always cure every layer in the gel color system for 30 seconds. To finish your gel color IntelliGel manicure service, apply Super Gloss Top Coat. This top coat is super shiny and protects the color application. It also stays shiny for 3+ weeks. Make sure you cover all of the color layer with the top coat for best wear for your clients. Saturate an Expert Touch nail wipe with NAS 99 cleansing solution to remove the tacky film, and then instruct your clients to wash their hands with soap and water. Apply a drop of Pro Spa nail and cuticle oil to the base of each nail and massage it in. And don't forget to send them home with a bottle to use daily. OPI GelColor with IntelliGel technology. Self-corrects, stays put, brilliant.